In the fields of infrastructure construction and industrial protection, corrosion prevention has always been a headache. Is there really no perfect solution? Certainly not. IOTA-63503 flexible silicone heavy-duty anti-corrosion coating is here to break the dilemma. And IOTA-63503 is a new generation green and environmentally friendly coating that conforms to this trend. It has a wide range of applications, providing all-round protection for metal surfaces such as high-speed rail station steel structures, factory buildings steel structures, bridges, pipelines, and even concrete structures in railways and buildings, remaining stable in complex chemical environments without powdering, cracking, peeling, or falling off. The validity period can be up to 15 years. In terms of various technical indicators, whether it is salt spray resistance, impact resistance, abrasion resistance, or film flexibility, it performs outstandingly. After rust removal and dust removal, it can be applied with a roller or airless sprayer. If the viscosity is too high, a small amount of thinner can be added. It is a non-hazardous product, making transportation and storage easy. With such a powerful anti-corrosion coating, why not give it a try to completely solve your corrosion problems?